Alright guys, what is going on? It's your boy Chris back with another video. Thank you guys for tuning in. Today we got a GAT opener, season opener out there in Sac. So it's about like a 45-hour drive or so. We're gonna go meet up with everyone at the Chevron over here, and then from there around we're gonna meet up at 4:30, and then at 5 we're gonna go and head out to Sac and stuff like that. So it should be a really cool video. Should get everyone cruising out and stuff like that. It should be a really, really big cruise. Should be a really good time and a really good turnout. Let's go. Alright guys, so we're here. We made it to the gas station. Everyone's here. Let me show you guys. We got everyone posted up and stuff like that. We got the boy Brian right here. Yeah, so everyone's here and stuff like that. We're gonna just chill for a second. I don't know exactly what time it is. Probably close to 5. Once it hits 5 though, we're probably gonna head out and stuff like that, and then I'll probably pick up the vlog once we're something cool happens. All right guys, we're here. We got George here and stuff like that in the M. We got the boy Jay Weezy here in his, so clean. Everyone else posted up. We got AJ in the Lexus right here. There's Gael's car, Jazz's car. Sheesh. We got Juice's freaking brand new Porsche right here. He just got it. Sheesh. How do you guys feel about this one? This is fire right here. Damn. Finally made it here to the meet, or not the meet, what the heck, to the second spot that we're all meeting up at, and then the third spot is the actual meet in Sac. We're in Galt right now. We got my car here, we got Nando's car here, we got everyone posted up and stuff like that. It's gonna be a good one for sure. Huh? Damn. We got everyone here. Bro, it's packed. Huh? My GoPro's dead. Your GoPro's dead? GoPro's You're on the phone? I got I'm at like, I think maybe like 20, maybe 20 or something like that. We got Ivan staying right here. We got Jazz's M right here too, posted up. We got everyone just chilling right here. Guys, we finally made it to the meet. It was crazy trying to get here. We're not even in the main parking lot. The main parking lot is like right over there across the street, and we had to park like right here in this area with some other cars down here too, but it's just way too packed. They invited all the Sac to come here, and they picked the worst parking. So you got everyone trying to get in though from all the way back there. All right, here's the parking lot for the meet. Finally walked across the street to the actual lot. Oh, I'm sorry. Finally made it, everyone. Crazy outcome. Oh my gosh, there's so many people here. Oh, shoot, somebody ran over. Huh? Who's that? Got this camera here. Oh, there's Jew and there's George right there. Oh my, look at everyone here. Put it up right here. Oh my god, that thing's clean. The AMG thing right here. Beamer boys. Z. We got this Mustang here. Oh shit. This is clean. Same headlights as me. Mach 1 bumper. Fire. Where's Ivan at? Where's the Poochie at? Is he where? Oh yeah, they're just parking right here. That's fire. thing right here. Oh my gosh. That's insane. But this music is gonna be cooked the whole video. Parking is cooked. Look at this guy. Pull up in the Porsche and doesn't even know how to park right now. Come this way. Come at me, buddy. We got both C6s chilling here. We got the blue one and we got the red one. Which one you guys choosing, red or blue? I think I'm gonna go with this. I think I'm going with this blue one for sure. We got the C7 chilling here too. Fire with the clear tails. The M2s right here. Oh my god. Both blue, white. That's so fire. Alright guys, we're inside now. Then we got the wheels chilling right there. Damn. Hella packed. Oh my god.
Hey, these are the guys from
what the heck? Who?
the Sacramento.
Are they?
What is that, 808 garage?
Oh, okay, yeah. The STO, the Lamb. Oh my god, that's insane. That is so clean, bro. Look at that. Huh? The suede, the carbon vents right there. That is fire.
I just saw you.
We got this 911 right here too.
Ew, I know that thing.
I'm recording.
Oh, shit.
R8 chilling right here. Oh my gosh, bro. Carbon wing. Interior is insane, bro. Got the diamond stitched seats. Damn, and the R8 chilling right here is crazy, bro. We got the Beamer right here too. The R8, I think I showed that earlier. We got that over here chilling as well, bro. This is crazy. But look at the interior on this Beamer, bro. On the M5, it's crazy. We have right here. We got your dream car, bro.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. This is fire.
I want one of these so bad.
It's just clean, bro. We got the R8. Damn, it's chilling right there. Super packed, crazy outcome. Oh my god. Huh?
Yeah,
In the front? Oh, the German plate? Oh, this R8's crazy. But we got all the Beamer boys back here. Oh my gosh. That's fire. Both CTSVs right here. But the homie Ivan got in here. I don't know how he got in here, bro. What the heck? That boy was up in the front with it. That's fire. His shit's so clean, bro. We got his, no, this isn't his twin. I don't know who that is. Another CTSV. Mach 1. Ooh. Little Honda carbon hood. That's fire. This Mach 1 is crazy. I like, this is a cool color, but they always come in this color, bro. Like, this is one, like, you always see that. Damn. Thanks, fire. Still got people trying to roll in here. Oh my gosh. Right there. Everyone's still trying to park up. Crazy packed right now. There's even people like us, like park across the street, and that lot, like straight ahead right there, everywhere. That's fire. With the livery, oh my god, that's crazy. This AMG thing is fire, bro. Got the years, bro. That's fire too.
Oh, I was like,
So sick, bro. All the carbon everywhere. Oh my god. Lamb chop chilling right here. That's so fire. The carbon bag right there. It's so cool. Got the McCleasy chilling right here too. Oh, so fire. Carbon everywhere on that. And we got the GT3 in the blue and yellow. Which one are you guys taking? This one or that one? I don't know which one. They're both beautiful. We got this lamb chop right here too. Oh my god. Look at that. Garage right there. Another GT3 in the matte black. So fire. This thing is crazy. The interior. So clean. In the Millennium Jade. Oh my gosh. Carbon lip. Carbon hood. Got the little Hemi thing right here. Oh my gosh. Bro, it is so cold out here, bro. Oh my goodness. Got this Z right here. Got the Mustang. GTR. Freaking for sale. Would you buy it?
Huh?
Would you buy this?
No.
No?
No.
Why not?
You want 50 racks for
50 racks?
overpriced little
50 racks?
16-year-old.
Oh my. Yeah, I'm not buying the heck no, dude. Negative. But anyway, we got this Rolls Royce showing right here, though. That's fire. Ooh, I look close, bro. I will smack that thing, bro. It's over. That's crazy. Oh my gosh, bro. That's insane, dude. Alright guys, that about wraps it up for this meet. It was super dope, super cool. There's hella people here. Everyone's starting to leave now and stuff like that. Got everyone leaving the parking lot. Oh my gosh.
And bro, that Lexus behind me, bro, has all the check engine lights.
Does he? Oh my god.